Hello and happy Memorial Day from Quasi for Quakers. As you can see, we've been pretty busy around here. This is our first basket of the 2011 Quasi for Quakers class. We have greens, blues, and albinos in this group. And somebody who seems to want to step up. You stepping up? There you go. Good job. Good job. They're still toddlers. And they're just learning the ropes. Good job, girly. There you go. There you go. Back in the basket. Back in the basket. All right, let's have a little look around here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. These babies are 3 to 4 weeks old, and they will be weaning at the end of June, beginning of July. Well, hello. As you can see, it's pretty crazy around here. Stay tuned, more videos soon.